So today we're going to be looking at the software that the GoGoBot uses. We're going to look at all the categories in a little bit more detail. We're not going to go into too much depth, but this software can be used for a lot of other projects, not just the GoGoBot, but let's get into it. So first we're going to need the logic category. This will have all our logical blocks in it. So this will basically do all our logical thinking. Then we have the loops. This will be for our loops. So we need to loop the time or anything else like that. Then we have our math block category. So this will be all our mathematical blocks. So if we need to work out how long or how far something should travel, we can use these blocks. Then we have our text, which, as the name says, it's just text blocks. Then we have your variables. The variables will be the variables you added or that we added. Then functions will be, well as the name says, will be the functions. Then we have the Arduino, which will basically be all your basic Arduino commands. Then it will be the Arduino pin control. That will be the pin outs or the pins on the Arduino if you're using an Arduino. Then it will be the time, so this will be for our delays and stuff like that. Then we have a GoGoBot category specifically for the GoGoBot. We have the movement category, that's for backwards, forwards, left, right, all that nice interesting little things. Then we have a light and sound category, so this will control the buzzer and the LEDs on the GoGoBot. Then we have our sensors category, which will basically control all the sensors. And then we have the communications category, which is just for communication between the Bluetooth module. Okay, so let me just quickly show you that if you take the code block and you drop it and you press on the little glasses on top here, it will show you exactly the code that it needs or is busy using in the Arduino IDE. So this is how it will look when you open up the Arduino IDE apart from the code blocks application.